What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, I decided to do another unboxing. I bought a Marc Jacobs tote bag and I want to share with you guys. So if you're interested in my video, sit back, relax, and as always, we're gonna get right into it. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Don't forget to put the notification bells on so you can always know when I post. And comment, let me know if you're enjoying my videos. Let me know if you like what I purchased. Let's have a little chit chat. Okay, so we have another unboxing. This box is just regular. It's like regular schmegular. But when we open it, looks like this. Thumbnail. So the box just looks like that, and you know, comes with a packing slip and things of that nature. Alright. So here she is. Just gonna open it up. It's a lot of packaging stuff in this. Like, comes with all this foam. All right, let me use a scissor. Let's use a scissor, because clearly they was not playing when they packaged this. All right, so here we have it. Here she is. I got the Monogram collection. This is the mini. This is the Monogram collection mini tote. Marc Jacobs mini tote. Okay, so right off the back is the bag. I'm not gonna lie, their mini is a good size. It's a decent size. Take this out the inside. So this is the more wrapping, and they have it secured. They really was not playing with this bag. They was not playing. Okay, more wrapping. Okay, so we have the adjustable strap that you can take off. You can either wear it on or wear it like this. And here she is. So the inside looks like this. It's very spacious. For a mini bag, this is like no comparison, because you know when you get mini bags, for instance like Telfar and other name brands, the mini bags be so little, but this, you can get quite an amount of stuff in there. I think it's a perfect size. So it has like a pocket here. What is this, like the receipt? So it has a pocket here. It just says the Jaguar Marc Jacob. It's very spacious. Can y'all see? Very spacious. And then it has a zipper there. It has like this little ring here. I love it. It's cute, and it's no point in me even showing what can fit in it, because you could really tell it could fit a lot. It's like the perfect size. So I'm gonna clip it on. You clip it like this. You adjust the straps however you would like. Wear it over like this. I'll stand up so you can see. I love it. I love it. It's pretty, it's cute, it's spacious. I think I'm gonna wear it out tomorrow. I have an event to go to and I think I'm gonna wear it. And I like the print. I'm not gonna lie, it's giving Christian Dior vibes, but not the Christian Dior price range. But yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I do recommend it. It's very spacious for a mini bag. I can just imagine what the small size is and the large. If this is considered the mini, this is perfect. But let me give you different angles and views. So here's another view of it. It has this as well on the back. Like this. If you want to adjust the strap and make it longer, you can do that. This ain't so easy to adjust, huh? Oh, there we go. Make it a little longer. And hold it like this. If you don't want to use the strap, I love it. I can't wait to wear it. All right, so all in all, I'm very happy with this purchase. The price point and everything, the material, the fabric, the space. I can put a lot of stuff in this. I'm excited to use this for the summertime. If you're interested in getting yours, this is your confirmation. Go out and get it. So a nice little quick to the point review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, until next time, bye beauties.